Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we are told about a solution that contains several metal iron. And the first thing they did was to treat it with HCl. So you have first step, treat with HCl. Then no precipitate. Then the second step was to adjust pH to 1. And bubble H2S. And they observe no PPT, no precipitate. Then they adjusted pH to 8, bubble H2S, and they observe precipitates. Then the filter, and then they treat the filtrates plus the ammonium phosphate, and then no precipitates. So we want to identify which of the metal cations are present or definitely absent. So we have aluminum 3 plus, we have sodium plus, we have silver plus, and we have magnesium 2 plus. Okay, so on the first step, they had no precipitates. If silver is present, then you should have precipitate because silver will form silver chloride. But since you see no precipitate with hydrochloric acid, that means no, or let me put Ag plus absent. Okay, the next step was to adjust pH to 1 and bubble hydrochloric and bubble hydrogen sulfide. And they observe no precipitate. Right? So then they went further, they adjusted the pH to 8. And then they bubble hydrogen sulfide through it. And then no precipitate. And the filter and the filtrate, they added the ammonium phosphate to it, and they observe no precipitate. So this means we have alkali metal ion, which include sodium ion. So sodium ion is present and silver ion is absent for sure. So this is definitely, and this is definitely. And if magnesium 2 plus is present, then it should form insoluble precipitate with this. So we also know Mg2 plus is absent for sure. And which one else? Aluminium. If aluminium is present, we don't really know because well, if aluminium is present at this point where we adjust pH to 8, it should turn to maybe aluminium hydroxide. So but with an issue form precipitate. So this should be precipitate, but we didn't see that at this step. So we can just say aluminum could possibly be absent. We cannot say for sure because no information is given about that here.